In this video, I'm showing you how to play Please Donate in Roblox. Here we are. You are probably here because you want to get donations in Please Donate. So, let's set this up. Go to the empty stool and press on E. You probably in this stage. So let's solve this problem. First, go to Roblox website. If you're on a mobile device, make sure you come to the official Roblox website as it can't be done on the Roblox app. Once you're on the Roblox website, come to the top where it says Create. Click on Create, and you may get the option to click on Manage My Games. Click on Manage My Games, and it will take you to the Develop page. Under My Creations, come down to T-shirts. Click on Create a T-shirt, and then choose your image. Upload any image you want to be on Roblox. Once uploaded, come to the right-hand side and click on the cog. Click on Configure, give it a proper name and description, and click on Save. Then, go to Sales and switch it on. Enter a price. This is the amount you'll get when someone donates. Click on Save. You'll get a notification asking if you want to pay a 10 Robux selling fee to put the t-shirt on sale. Confirm and pay the 10 Robux. Now, come back home and load Please Donate again. Once you're back in Please Donate, come and claim a stool again. Press E once again, and there we go. You'll have the option for your 5 Robux. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.